back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos from myself. Alrighty guys, so as you can see from today's video and as you can see from my hair, I did a Bantu knot out. So if you haven't already, I'll put it in the eye or I'll put it in the description box on how I achieved those Bantu knots. So definitely watch that if you want to see how I went from that to this. Yeah, but without further ado, let's get right into the video and I'll talk to you guys at the end. Alrighty guys, so this is how it turned out and I absolutely love it. I think I have to do Bantu knot outs more often because look at the curls, look at the volume. It's just, oh my gosh. I feel like if I shake it a little bit more, it'll be bigger, but I kind of don't want it to be too big. But I'm actually really liking it. I just have to like shape it a little bit more. But other than that, I love how it turned out. I love the volume. I'm so sorry for the screaming. My little one is upstairs, but I'm loving it. I love how it turned out. And I'm definitely gonna do this again. The only thing I don't like about Bantu knots is the sleeping process. When I tell you, my head was on fire all of yesterday. Sleeping was just like, it wasn't a vibe. That's the only thing I don't like. It was just like way too hectic. But other than that, it was worth it. It was definitely worth it because look at my hair, guys. Look at the curls, look at the volume. It's just a whole vibe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos from myself. Let me know what you would like to see me do with my Microlocs / Braidlocs, and I will definitely do it. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies. Mwah.